Welcome back to part 3 of the beginning of my investment journey that I am now sharing with you guys because I have been looking for more Canadian female content creators to watch and learn from, and maybe you'll learn a thing or two from me. I am still very new and I don't know a lot of what I'm doing. Bear with me, we will learn together. So after I did my research on REITs, I picked 3 that I wanted to start with for my investments. GRT-UN, DIR-UN, and REI. Those were just the ones that seemed more promising to me, and those are just the ones that with my research I decided on. This is not advice for you to buy those. This is just what I've personally done. So I bought only one of Granite because it is more expensive, and I bought a handful of Dream and RioCan. All of these REITs were purchased in June, but I did receive my very first dividends from one of my REITs yesterday of a whopping 89 cents. So I was very excited because it's just like a monetary number to show growth. And that's all I really wanted. As I continue investing, that will continue to grow. The more money I put into these, the more money I will eventually make and get out of it. The last thing I wanted to get into was the other investments that I have. I have had a TFSA with CIBC for quite a few years that I've just been putting every 2 weeks after my paychecks, automatic deposits. That's something like I cannot recommend enough. If you are able to set up an automatic deposit after your paychecks, whether it's every week, every 2 weeks, once a month, something to just have that money come out of your account and go into a savings or investment account. If you are able to financially manage that, even if it's just $5 or $10, anything is better than zero. So I have had that account growing over quite a few years in my tax-free savings account. And recently I have moved a bunch of money around to invest it into different mutual funds. I don't really know how to explain mutual funds because I don't really know what they are. At least I know in my own weird brain's terms. So I'm going to summarize what it says on Google. A mutual fund are professionally managed pools of investor money used to purchase diversified portfolios of stocks, bonds, and other securities. I guess it's maybe kind of like an ETF because it's investing in a large group of things, but I believe mutual funds tend to have a higher MER, and that's like the percentage of your funds that is paid to the manager of that mutual fund. So that's the money they make for managing this. I guess there's somebody deciding what to buy and sell within the fund. That's the best I could do. I'm sorry.